Welcome to this 10-minute meditation about dismantling preconceptions in order to begin relationships better. Find a comfortable position, making sure your back is straight, well supported, and without any tension. Rest your arms on your lap in whichever position is comfortable for you, but making sure to keep your hands opened and relaxed. Relax your jaw and focus your eyesight straight ahead. At your own pace, take a long, deep breath, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. During your next exhalation, close your eyes. At your own pace, bring to mind one close friend who is very dear to you, and see if you can remember the first time you both met. Portray the situation in your mind with as many details as you can remember, almost as if you are creating a picture of it in your head. Whenever you are ready, see if you can remember the first impression you had about your friend before you even had a conversation. Think about what you thought of the personality of your friend. Think about what you thought of the physicality of your friend. Think about what you thought about the way your friend interacted with people. Once you have a clear image of the memory of the first time you met your dear friend, think about how this old image compares to the image you have of your close friend today. think about how your idea of the personality of your friend has changed throughout the time you've spent together and while your friendship grew. Now, think about how your idea of the physicality of your friend has changed throughout the time you've spent together and while your friendship grew. Finally, think about how your idea of the way your friend interacted with people has changed throughout the time you've spent together and while your friendship grew. Now, consciously think about your preconceptions of what kind of person your friend was before you became friends, and think of the moment you opened up your heart and mind and chose to become friends. When we first meet someone, even if we haven't exchanged any words or interacted with them, we immediately create a preconception in our head of who we think they are. All of our preconceptions instinctively change the way we behave and interact with people, as well as affecting the possibility to further develop a relationship with them or not. Keeping an open mind to possibilities, avoiding preconceptions, and being understanding, respectful, and tolerant of people in general will give us the opportunity to have better relationships. At your own pace, bring your attention back into the room. Flex up and point your feet like pushing on a pedal. Gently close and open your hands, and whenever you feel ready, open your eyes. You can practice this meditation focusing on any person you wish to, especially when you're having a conflict with a particular person. The best way to avoid preconceptions is not to have them at all. Face every day with an open mind. Congratulations on completing this 10-minute meditation.